You better take his photos. Today, we're going to Universal Studios. My outfit. Put your hands up and say Om Shanti Om. All you boys, come on, make some noise and say Om.
About to start, but safely you must go, and so the Hogwarts sorting hat tells all you.
So scared of that ride.
I feel like this, and I say,
Oh, okay.
We go all the way down and then Jurassic Park.
Locations, that's what we do here. Our driver Tracy, your guide Chris, and our co-host, the star of the Tonight Show, Mr. Jimmy Fallon. We got Universal's front lot.
Hi everybody, I'm Carson Daly from NBC's The
A lot of brick and stone and concrete. Well, let me tell you, it's fiberglass and wood. It's just the illusion of reality. Yeah, fake. That's London Square on your right. Oh, hey. Hi, guys. Hope you're not shooting now. Hope I'm not ruining your take. They're doing a TV commercial for a restaurant by the name of McDonald's. You know, we even do things like billboards. Are you all right? Oh, yeah. That was the signal for no, I'm not all right. It's out of the water. We've got bait tied to that. Oh, boy.
Oh, you missed it. Okay, let's take a picture, Maadi.
Look at. Can you smile, Booker? He's joking.
put up with.
Ma?